Welcome to Tunu TV. The top 5 yoga positions. Oftentimes the right information can change a person's life. This happened with me in yoga. There are a lot of yoga positions and poses that is built to enhance posture. All things considered, yoga positions possess a lot of advantage such that it aims to improve our condition and give us a straight figure. Occasionally, we might not take notice ourselves in a crooked figure. If we practice that for a long period and not do anything about it, await to have a crooked bone in the future. Although it is true, yoga positions are good to strengthen our body, giving focus to the thighs, knees and the ankles. If you get used to practicing yoga positions every day, it is expected that your bones react immediately. Under certain circumstances, the belly and the backside is considered an important turn-on for both genders. For the male, it is ideal to retain up a passable abdomen of the abs. This makes it more appealing to the women. Having a good butt matters to several women too. A lot of them are practicing in order to acquire a lot of figure and shape in their body. Yoga positions amazingly relieve sciatica. These are some pain that cannot be prevented. If you do yoga once in a while and even regularly, perhaps you will not see any back or muscle pain. Here are some techniques on how to maintain a good yoga position. Just follow these steps in order for you to entirely comprehend yoga positions and be capable to execute it in the proper way. Yoga position number 1. You have to stand with the bases of your big toes touching and the heels have to be slightly apart. You must lift and spread your toes slowly and the balls of your feet too. Then after, you want to lay them softly down on the floor. Rock yourself back and forth and even side to side. You may gradually reduce this swaying to maintain a halt, with your weight balanced evenly on your feet. Yoga position number 2. Flex your thigh muscles and then lifting the kneecaps is next. Do it without hardening your lower belly. Lift the inside ankles to make stronger the internal arches, then picture a line of energy all the way up along your inner thighs up to your groins. From there through the core of your neck, torso, and head, and out through the crown of your head. You should turn the upper thighs slowly inward. Make your tailbone longer toward the floor and raise the pubis in the direction of the navel. Yoga position number 3. Drive your shoulder blades backwards, then broaden them crossways and discharge them down your back. Without roughly pushing your lower front ribs forward, lift the top of your sternum straight toward the ceiling. Broaden your collarbones. Suspend your arms alongside the torso. Yoga position number 4. You should balance the crown of your head unswervingly over the middle of your pelvis, with the base of your chin analogous to the floor, throat soft, and the tongue broad and plain on the floor of your mouth. Make your eyes look softer. Yoga position number 5. Tadasana is usually the primary yoga position for all the standing poses. Applying the Tansana is beneficial, especially in applying the poses. Staying in the pose for 30 seconds up to 1 minute, then breathing easily keeps it acceptable. Just follow these clear figures and you are sure that you are doing the right yoga positions. Thanks for watching. Tunu TV. Subscribe and share. Take care of your body, it's the only place you have to live.